Trenem Tingting Part 1, Lesson 8. You got two half lo Lesson 8. You mean mark em second half or same 8B. The two together. It talk about information is clear or no. Check him good. From one me got two half lo lesson. And me from where you may think about talk here clear or specific. Where emi given lo you me general or one cover up talk. So by you use some example where stop lo Bible or story all about. Below second one 8B. Emi come lo Bible. Be or talk to lo Bible. General too much. Cover up talk or talk clear. The problem emi say time you may teach him talk lo God or talk about talk lo God. You mean now, you mean make him talk lo you mean general too much or cover him up talk, tell him good. One and where you may want a man is savelo him. So you mean now use some all clear talk or specific talk that you mean must. So from something and now you got two half blow lesson 8. So stumble blow lesson 8 first one. You must check him say all information where stop. Emi clear good or emi general too much or emi cover up talk. So you go back locally, go back again where you show mat or process or steps blow walk out one straight lasting thing. More underneath lo scale him. You first time you tell him cover out all information. The underneath lo him you get one something with them say check him all information. So one something where you must check him. You may check him finish say got enough. Now you may check and say it clear or it general too much. From suppose you may cut out all information or some only all cover up talk, really tell him something or you may. Now it all same way. I mean one good play information. Now might you may short law information. Or especially you may got chance asking question, make him all talk way or cover up talk, it come clear good. Suppose you may ask him or good for the question. Find him out say, I really meaning one him. So got you all example where you stop your book. They got two story where close up same mark. By you look all something where number 2 example or talk where you must guess all about a little bit. First one now it come clear. Number 2 example. After I get one more example back again, way where you must look out, say man, so it tricky me from where I tell them all general information. So I got one story where really tell him good, you me all details for him. They find him out, you must ask him all question. So try and give an get to ask him all question where he really point good one way you may want to find them out, or one way you may all specific or clear information. With them all clear information now, you may survey walk them out one straight lasting thing or make him one good for the decision.